All right, tech enthusiasts, grab your virtual surfboards because we're riding the info wave today. Let's talk all things Infosys, which made some serious buzz on the NASDAQ. Infosys, India's IT bigwig, definitely gave investors something to celebrate with its latest earning bonanza. And trust me, it's the kind of news you wouldn't want to glaze over during your morning coffee. First things first, Infosys stock pulled off a Herculean feat by leaping up by 9% as of 1:10 p.m. on Thursday. Why the jubilant jump? Well, Infosys reported some rock-solid earnings for its fiscal Q1 2025. Analysts initially thought Infosys would rake in a nice 18 cents per share on sales, summing up to $4.65 billion. Infosys channeled its inner overachiever and not only met the earnings target perfectly, but also clocked in $4.71 billion in sales, beating top-line expectations. But wait, there's more. Sales growth in constant currency terms was 2.5% year over year, a modest feat but still more than what the Wall Street geniuses had forecasted. Infosys owns bragging rights with a solid 21% operating profit margin, leading to significant gains in earnings, 7% in rupees and 5% in dollars. Talk about stacking up those digital coins. The cherry on top, Infosys reported generating a whopping $1.1 billion in free cash flow in Q1, marking a colossal 57% increase over the same quarter a year ago. That's 43% more than the reported net income. Analysts' eyes might be popping out of their sockets right now. Speaking of a promising near-term outlook, Infosys also finessed its guidance game. They're forecasting a 3%-4% bump in sales growth for this year. The company expects operating margins to stay strong at around 20 to 22%, indicating that the earnings trajectory should stay in the upper single digits. A heads up though, most analysts are keeping their future expectations in check, predicting a more modest long-term profits growth rate of just 7%. But hey, when it comes to valuation, Infosys seems to be tightening its belt. Although stocks look slightly cheaper based on free cash flow metrics compared to their PE ratio, many pundits wouldn't exactly call it a steal given that long-term projection. Continuing the win-run spree, Infosys celebrated its highest free cash flow ever recorded in the first quarter. What's really setting eyebrows north? Infosys notched up 34 massive deal wins with a total contract value of $4.1 billion, out of which nearly 58% were brand new contracts. Now, that's what I call brand appeal. On another sizzling note, Infosys hit its 52-week high just before the earnings report, with shares soaring 1.90% intraday to rupees 1,758.60 on the BSE ahead of quarterly results. Before the official announcements, analysts expected Infosys to lead the pack in growth stakes among Indian IT giants, thanks to multiple mega-deal ramp-ups and a favorable growth base. Rounding it out, Infosys plans to hire up to 20,000 freshers this financial year, both on and off campus. This move is aimed at reversing a 6-quarter headcount decline. The company ended the June quarter with a headcount of 315,332, noting a year-on-year drop of nearly 21,000 employees. So that's the 411 with Infosys today. All of this combined made for a sensational splash in the tech waters. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.